Hello guys, welcome back to yet another amazing episode of how to make wealth online using AI. So in this particular episode I'm going to be showing you on how to animate still images. So the first thing you're going to have to do is make a still image. So for this particular point, you'll have to go to either DeepSeek or ChatGPT, create a prompt of the still image that you would want to create so that you can proceed on to the next step. So for me here, as you can see, I have made a prompt of a 3-year-old Caucasian baby girl with a golden blonde hair, sparkling blue eyes, and a radiant smile, laughing joyfully as she is in Central Park for Valentine's Day, and she is given some flowers, chocolate by a cute guy. The ambience was a lovely red theme and full of red decor and flowers. So this is my prompt, whereby now I ask the DeepSeek AI to paraphrase this prompt for me into something wonderful. So as you can see, I'm going to just copy this. This is the prompt that the DeepSeek AI has given me. So for my particular prompt, I had given it various instructions. The various instructions, as you can see down here, I needed the still image to be at a 9.6 aspect ratio, and all these other instructions, as you can see down here. Yeah, so from here we just proceed to the next AI, which is Leonardo.ai. We are going to paste this prompt over here so that we can see the particular image that we are going to receive from the Leonardo.ai. So guys, if you had not seen my previous video about Leonardo.ai, you can just go ahead and watch the previous video before this, and you're going to see how I set these modes from the model. Why I have put the phonics.10, the prompt enhancer, which is auto, the style is the 3D. All these are very important when you want consistency in your work while you are making various animations or various products for either YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. So as you can see over here, it has already given us the various prompts or the various still images that we are going to use to animate and make them move. Yeah, okay, something else I should add, using the Leonardo.ai, you can also make this image move, but you'll have to upgrade. So if you can see from here, if I click here, this is where you can be able to animate this image, but you'll just be able to animate this image if you are not in the free plan. As you can see over here, I am in the free plan, so I am not able to animate. But if you upgrade to the monthly subscription, you'll be able to animate even using Leonardo.ai. But if you are like me, who personally does not have the the money to pay right now for the Leonardo subscriptions, you can also use something else. So we are going to download one of these images. So let's just download one. We have 4 particular images, you can see. So I think we are going to download this looks good, so let's download this. So it has downloaded here. So to animate this particular image, we can use 2 particular softwares which I have used personally, and they are very good. So the first one, with the one that you can use, is known as Pixelverse.ai. This is a very good software. It is good because every day it gives you around 60 tokens each day for you to animate using its software. So it's the Pixel.ai. So as here, it's where its homepage looks like this. Yeah, so I'm just going to select the image that we have downloaded. So we're just going to click here, and we are going to select the image from the downloads folder. As you can see here, we have the download folder. So here is our image. So once it's loading over here, we are going to paste the prompt that we had used to create this particular image on Leonardo.ai. So we're just going to paste it there. the same prompt. Then over here on the settings, here it's where you are going to see the seed number of this particular animation. You're also going to see over here you can either animate this particular image in for 5 seconds or 8 seconds. So for 5 seconds it's going to eat 30 tokens. Over here, as you can see, I have 60 tokens for this one. I just logged in with my email. Okay, so for 30 tokens it's a 5 minutes video, but for 8 tokens it's a 60. For 60 tokens it's going to give you an 8-second video. Then from here, the turbo, this remain just like that. Turbo means it's going to move on fast. Then from here, you're going to select the style that you may want. You can either select this particular styles: anime, 3D animation, comic, cyberpunk, or cray. So for me, for this particular project, I would want it to animate this as a 3D animation, so I'm going to select that. Then this is going to remain as normal for me. And as you can see, there is something here known as performance, but it is not yet, it has not yet been launched. So once you have made these settings that are okay, yeah, as you can see, all these settings are okay. I'm not going to interrupt or change anything here on the effects section or the transition and all that, but most of these, the effects, the transitions, all these are in the premium plan for the Pixelverse AI. So you have to be very sure about it all. When you have bought the subscription for the Pixelverse, you'll be able to get all these other all these other important important packs. So for me, I think I am done. So I have uploaded the image, I have uploaded the prompt, and from there I'm just going to click on create. So it takes a bit of time, less than a minute to create. As you can see, it's creating it right now. It's at 40%, 50%. This is very fast. I really enjoy this because it's quite fast and it does not queue my projects. So something else you're supposed to know about Pixelverse is you can be able to create or log in. Okay, let me first show you this. As you can see, it has already animated this image, as you can see, from a still image to an animation, whereby the two characters are actually like they look live-like. So you're just going to download this, but you'll have to, if you are using the free plan, it's going to download with a watermark down here, up here. So you can always crop that if you don't want the watermark. So something else I'm supposed to show you. So let me just log out from this. Yeah, so something to sign up for Pixelverse, and you have exhausted all your emails. Yeah, you have exhausted all your emails. So you can create temporary, you can use temporary emails, and you have to be very careful, because what actually works is this. Let me show you. This is what actually works. The temp email, you'll see this actually works wonders. So you'll be able to create as many you can be able to create as many accounts to help you create more projects in a day, because it's giving you 60 free tokens each and every day. So when you use this particular website, temp emails, I would suggest you put this particular you download the app, the temp email app in your phone, so that it's able to produce more emails for you, so that you can be able make more projects. So you just come in here and copy that email, and you'll come just here. There, it's going to ask you for a username. You can paste the email that we have gotten there. It's going to ask you for a username, so you just get a username. Then it's going to ask you for a password, so we'll just insert a password right here, like that. That's the password. Then once that happens, it's going to prompt you to get a code that is sent to your email. So it has been sent to my email, and as you can remember, we are using a temp email, so which is a temporary email. You just come here. The problem with temporary email websites, they have very many ads, but it also works. You see, it is here, register with Pixelverse. Yeah, so once you come here, you can see the code is here. So it's 106463. So you're just going to come here and do the 106463. Yeah, then once you have put that, you just come here and continue. So as you can see, I'm going to show you a very nice trick. So as you can see, it's logging in using our temporary email, and you can see because we are being given every day tokens of 90, as you can see here. So already I have 90 tokens where I can be able to do another project. So you can do this over and over and over and over again, but once in a while it might not work out, but you know, at least you have a few more tricks up your sleeve. Yeah, so yeah, so that's just a small trick. The other way to make a still image animate is using the cling.ai or the cling.16 AI. So in this particular AI, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to upload the image here, the image that we had, you know, created using the prompt. So we are going to select that, we're going to put it here, then we go and get our prompt, the prompt that we had used to generate the image. We can just come here to Leonardo and copy this prompt, copy the prompt like that. Then we are going to come here down here and paste it here. So for the Kling AI, it gives you around, it also gives you around 140 to 150 tokens, but I'm not quite sure if it gives you this per day, because I had used it to create another to animate another image, and I don't think it has added. So for me, I think after these tokens are over, you'll have to upgrade to their premium version. So to animate this particular image over here, they're going to charge me 20 credits or 20 tokens. So I'm just going to click on animate. The problem between the Kling AI and the Pixelverse, I think for me it's more of the queue time. When it comes to the Kling AI, it takes way too much time. As you can see over here, we are thrilled by the overwhelming response to our latest model. Due to the current high demand, there may be a longer waiting time. We truly appreciate your patience and understanding. So if you have not upgraded to the to the premium version of Kling, this will take a bit of time to animate. So as you can see here, I am in a queue and the estimated time is around 3 hours. So it's a bit tricky. If I'm using the two AIs, I think I would go for the Pixelverse because it's quite fast, yeah, and it also produces very nice products. And if it's for Kling also produces something very nice, but the problem comes in when it comes to the queue. If you're not subscribed to the premium version, as you can see, if I was to upgrade over here, the basic is $0 per year, but the standard is around $7.2 per year. This is a standard, and it gives me around 660 credits per month. Yeah, and also they have a pro version and also a premium version. You can also you can either pay for this yearly or pay for this monthly, which is around $6, around $7 per month, also giving me around 660 credits per month, and it gives me all these other benefits: daily on login credit, fast track generation, professional mode for videos, watermark removal, master shot and video extension, and image upscaling. And yeah, it's a good product, but if you don't have if it's the time you are starting out, I think I would guide you to use the Pixelverse because it's a bit free. So let's do something different so that you can see the difference between the two. So when it comes to Pixelverse, we can change this from the animation, the 3D animation, and maybe we can put it, maybe we want it to come as a comic, yeah. And let's just do 5 seconds to animate for 5 seconds, and just create here so that we can see the different types of results that we are going to be given. Because as you can see right now, we are not even able to get the results for the Kling because it is in high demand. So let's see, we have changed it to comic. I want to see the results so that you have a clear view of what you anticipate. You see, it's quite a good product. So yeah, so this is very effective when it comes, if you're making short videos, mostly for TikTok, Instagram, it's quite good. We can also change this to maybe anime. So let's do that for another 5 seconds also. Yeah, let's see the result. It's in queue, but you see it's quite fast than Kling. Kling is still giving me 3 hours before it animates that image. Oh my god. So let's do this. It's almost done. It's at 95. Good. You see, this is anime, quite a good product. Now let's select the last one, which is clay. Let's do clay. We still have 30 tokens over here, so let's create that for 5 seconds also. Let's do it. It takes some time, but it's quite fast considering the Kling AI. The Pixelverse is quite fast. So as you can see, yeah, let's see. Let's see, it's opening. Okay, you see now this is clay. Yeah, those are the different types of, yeah, depending on your niche and depending on so guys, if I was looking for something that is reliable and quite fast, I would probably suggest you go to pixelverse.ai when it comes to making your still images animate. It's quite good, and you can do as a lot of images at a go within a day. And yeah, so long as you have all the light tools and you have followed this video according to the instruction I've given, I think everything will work out well. So guys, until next time guys, don't forget to like, to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Until next time, goodbye.